Hello friend, welcome back. In this session, we'll create one of the basic e-commerce website with using that Python Django. And we will build it from to the scratch. So before starting this session, I want to share with you how this project will be look like. Like here you can see that is our home page, and into the home page area all that our features product is visible. So that is all that our features product. So right now for education purpose they have the only 5 product, and there is you can see there is actually images, that means the product images, the product name, that is a product price, and that is our old price. Okay, and also if you redirect it to details page, so that is our product details page. And into the product details page, here you can see there is a product image is visible, product title, there is a product price, and which category, that's category name is also visible. There is they have some of the short description, and that is our total full description. Okay, so for education purpose I'm using some of the demo text on here, and also they have the add to cart button. So right now I'm not logging, so if you click as the add to cart, you can see it's redirected to you the home page. Because of all, without logging you cannot purchase any product. So if you want to purchase it, must you have to log in. And also they have the sign up option. So if you want to create some of the new user, you can create some of the new users. So that is that Django default authentication system, and also there is a logging. And here also you can see there is an email and the password. So by default in Django there is actually another field as a username. So how can change it and how can make that things as per your demand, I will show you that things with a live example. So here I have added that email, not that username. So by default there is actually the username. So how can change it, I will show you. So that is our email address. So right now I am logging with the aryan@gmail.com. So I have already created this user. So if you want to create new user, you can create it from to the sign up page, right? So that is our username. I just simply define our email address and the password. So I just simply define our password as udemy12345. And now if you click as a login, now you can see now you can successfully logged in. So there is also option for the profile, that means the username, there is a full name, there is address, the city, zip code, country, and the phone. So if you want to update that user details, that you can update that user details from to this area. And also here how can display some of the notification message, like here I want to update as our full name. So I name it as a Kaziarian1. And now if you click as a save, now you can see it's now also showing some of the notification, that is a profile updated successfully. So how can display this type of one of the notification message in Django, I will show you that things with a live example. So right now if you want to purchase some of the product, like here I purchase this product, I click as a add to cart, you can see our cart is now totally updated. And also I want to take another one. I take another one, so that is also updated. So now if you go to that our cart, into the cart area, you can see it's now perfectly visible our cart, all that product name, there is a quantity, and there is our product price, and there is a remove option, and there is our total unit price, and there is our total price. So if you want to remove these things from your cart, you can see it's also showing some of the message, that means this item was removed from your cart. Okay, and also from here if you want to increment it, you can increment that quantity, and our prices all will be updated, and our total amount also will be updated. So how can display this type of one of the notification when it should be quantity updated, I will show you. And also if you want to reduce this quantity, you can see the quantity is reduced, and there is our another one as there is a 1. And also here I define one of the validations, when our this card will be as a 0, that means this card will be as a empty, right? Then automatically it should be redirected to our home page. Like if you click as a minus again, you can see it's perfectly redirected to our home page, which shows some of the message as you don't have any item in your cart. Okay, so how can define this type of one of the validation step by step, I will show you. So right now I want to purchase some of the product. So I just simply added that add to cart. I also added that add to cart, go to our cart option. So from here if you want to remove it, you can remove it, right? So now I want to increment some of the product, like here I increment it. I want to take this product as a 2 quantity, and that is our 1 quantity, and that is automatically it should be calculated our this data, that is our total amount as a 145. Okay, so now if you click as a continue shipping, then you can redirect it to your home page, and you can add multiple product if you want to buy it. So if you go to that card again, if you go to that process to checkout, and into the process to checkout, also they have some of the validation I have added on here. Like if you make that field as empty, that is actually our shipping address. If you click as a save address, now you can see it's now showing some of the message as a please fill up all that informations to make a payment. That means without providing your shipping details, you cannot payment. Okay, so here if you put some of the country name, click as a save address, you can see now all that our field is fill up. That means the shipping address is saved, and now you can see it's now showing our button for make that payment. Okay, and also it's showing our total product name, that is a product name, and also it's showing the quantity, and that is our another product, and that is our quantity, and also it's now display our order total, and that is our order total amount. Okay friends, so how can create this type of one of the validation I will show you, and then there is a make payment. And here I will also show you how can add the third-party API for your payment. So right now I'm using that SSL e-commerce, one of the payment method, and to the payment method there is our Visa card. So here if you put your card name, there is a card date and everything, if you put it, and you can see it's also showing our appropriate amount. So that is actually our pay amount, right? You can see it's now perfectly visible our this pay amount, and also there is a mobile banking. If you go here, and you can see it's perfectly visible our amount is on here. There's our invoice number is generated, the description is generated. So right now here I'm using one of the demo account. Okay, and also there is an OTP. So after when it will be as a success, you can see it's now perfectly showing as your payment completed successfully. And when this our payment is completed, automatically our cart will be as a empty. And now if you go to your orders, and you can see right now it's also showing that order ID, and there is our total product amount, and also showing that status. Okay friend, so it's very much interactive. One of the things like here I want to add another one. I just want to buy this product, so that is our buy this product. So I just simply buy it. You can see that our product is cart in our cart area. So here if you want to update that quantity, you can update it. If you go to that process to checkout, so first of all here it will be check your shipping details, everything is perfectly okay or not, and then after that you can make your payment. So right now I have our payment as a 40. You can see it's perfectly getting that our 40 amount, and also from here if your payment is failed, like I just make that as a failed, you can see it's now showing as a your payment failed, please try again. Okay, also it will be display this type of the notification, and after that 5 seconds automatically it will be redirected to your home page. So here you don't need to do anything, automatically your page will be refreshed, and then it should be redirected to your home page. So how can do this work? Step by step I will show you. So right now I want to make this product as a purchase. Like right now our product price as a 40, so I want to increase it. So I want to increase it as a 60. Okay, so that is actually our imagination. So that is our product name. Go to our process. So that is our total amount as a 60. Make a payment. You can see it's now showing as a 60. So now I want to make as a, right now I want to add another payment gateway. So that is our success. So I just check it. You can see our payment completed successfully, and also our card is updated. And if you go to your orders, and into the orders area, you can see I have buy this product as a 3 quantity. So that is our quantity is visible, and that is our product name is visible. And right now that is our process your order. Okay friend, so how can create this type of one of the simple with a lot of the functionality with using that Django Python. Step by step I will show you that things with the live example. And after that, if you click as a logout, and you can see when it should log out, then it will be show some of the message as a you are logged out. Okay, so how can display this type of one of the notification? I will show you everything from the scratch. I hope you will like it very much, and I am really excited to share my experience with you. So if you are ready, then let's get started.